Welcome to www.outdoorsumo.com. Hi guys, today I will show you Audioengine A5 Plus powered speaker. If you love listening to music, then you would love using these speakers. They will make you want to listen to music or watch movies every day. This speaker offers you the best sound and bass quality. It is effortless for you to use these speakers. Talk of a tight punch bass with an awesome growl that will make you enjoy watching regardless of volume level. The Audioengine A5 Plus is the real definition of simplicity when it comes to speakers. I mean, no receivers, no apps, and you don't need any networks to set them up. Also, it's very versatile, considering it works with any device. Talk of the speaker's power to provide you with high-end, warm, rich, full stereo. Thanks for visit this channel.